Hello, Cindy. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. Speak louder. Don't be shy. Okay. Here is your picture, Cindy. I can see here an airplane. I can see a helicopter and a sun. Where is the dog?
The dog is
Point the dog. The
the
dog.
dog is in front of the car.
Okay, in front of the girl. Okay. What about the car? Where's the car? It's
The car between the truck
and
and bike.
the bike. Very good. Nice description. Last one. Where are the trees? Where are the trees?
The tree is
The trees are, you point the picture just like what we practiced. Here.
Here.
Okay, good. Now I'm gonna put the ball in front of the car. Which one is the B? Which one? Okay, let it stay there. Okay, Cindy, yes. Put it back. Okay, it's fine. Which one is the bike? Can you put the bike between the plane and the helicopter? Good. Can you also put the t-shirt on the lorry, on the truck? And the kite, please put the kite in the sky. Wow, very good. Nice one. Oh, one more. What is this, Cindy?
This bird
What color is this bird?
is brown.
How many birds are there?
There are two birds.
Two? There are?
There are four birds.
Okay, what is he doing? What's he doing?
He is running. He is running.
Tell me about the boy.
The boy is wearing a blue shirt and orange trousers.
He
He is riding a bike.
riding a bike. Okay. Okay, let's have the bike first. No, not yet. You're not done. We will still continue. Cindy, what is this?
It's bike.
We're not done. Okay, what color is the bike?
It's blue.
What color is your bike?
It's pink.
Pink? Okay. How about this one? What is this?
The frog.
What color is the frog?
The frog is green.
What is your favorite animal?
It's rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay. Last one. What are these?
It's meatball.
Do you like meatballs?
Yes, I do.
Are they your favorite food? No? Yes. Okay, so what's your favorite food?
It's chicken.
Chicken. Okay. Where do you learn English, Cindy? Where do you learn English?
I use
English
at A.
at SA. And who do you play with at school?
I play is hide and seek.
No, who do you play with at school? I play with my
I play with my friend.
friend. Okay, and what is your best friend's name?
My best friend name is Sally.
Zali. Okay, good.